The Subaru Crosstrek's maintenance system alerts you when an oil change is due via an oil or maintenance required light on the dashboard. This light is triggered by mileage and sensor data, typically every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Resetting the light after an oil change is crucial for accurate tracking of future service intervals and to avoid unnecessary warnings. Failing to reset can lead to ignored reminders and potential engine wear. Always reset only after a genuine oil change using approved oils like 0W20 synthetic. Here's how to reset the oil light on most 2019-2025 Subaru Crosstrek models with a touchscreen. Step 1. Park on a level surface and turn off the engine. Ensure all doors are closed for safety. Step 2. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. The multifunction display should illuminate. Step 3. Use the steering wheel buttons or touchscreen to access vehicle settings or maintenance. Navigate using iSet button or touchscreen. Step 4. Select Oil Change or Maintenance Reset. Choose the appropriate menu option. Step 5. Scroll to reset and hold the button until the screen confirms. Typically hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Step 6. Start the engine briefly to verify the light stays off. If it reappears, repeat or check for error codes. For pre-2019 models, press the trip meter reset button until maint or oil appears, then hold for 2-3 seconds. Additional tips: firmware updates via Starlink can affect the reset process. If issues persist, consult your dealer or the My Subaru app.